friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Buzz Lightyear from Toy Story, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So first, let's get started by framing in the body. So we're going to start right in the middle here. We're just going to draw in a small straight line coming down. On either side of this now, we're just going to draw in a small diagonal line coming up on each side. And now from here, we're just going to draw another diagonal line coming through to the top, ending that at the same height. Now in the center, we're just going to draw in a small curved line, bringing that across to the right. Let's step up here. Actually, let's come down. So from the bottom, we're going to draw two small diagonal lines again, ending those at the same height. Let's curve these out. So starting on that bottom line, we're going to curve this around, arching that across to the left. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the right, bringing this over and through to the side. Let's continue to bring this line up on a diagonal now to the top, replicating that again on the right-hand side as well. Now from here, let's flatten this out on the very top on each side. Let's draw a diagonal line coming in now towards the bottom. Now from this line, we're just going to connect this. So we're going to curve this over and across, connecting that together. Let's add in more of the details here. So for the button on the right, we're just going to draw in a circle. Now coming up above that, we're just going to draw a slight diagonal line coming across to the right. Now on each side, let's draw another diagonal line coming through to the top, ending that at the same height. And then now from here, just closing that off with another diagonal line. Let's move over on the left. We're going to draw in a small oval here. So we're just going to round this out, bringing this down, around, and then in on the top. Now for the second one, we're going to come up on a diagonal. So from the bottom, we're not going to flatten it out. We're going to follow the arch. So we're going to step up. Again, drawing in our second button. And then coming up on a diagonal once more, we will replicate that again. Now let's frame in the helmet. So from the edge here, where these join together, we're just going to draw in a straight line that comes up to the top. We'll replicate that on the right, and we're just going to end that at roughly the same height. Now let's connect this. So we're going to continue to arch this around and through towards that center there. And then again, starting from that middle line, we're going to continue to arch this around and down, just blending that together as best as we can. Let's step out now from the top. We're going to curve this line out, dragging that down. And then coming down on a diagonal again, let's replicate that. Let's move up now. So on the left-hand side, we're going to draw in an arch line that comes all the way across, curving this back up to the right. Now let's move up. So from the center coming out, we're going to draw a diagonal line coming across on each side. Let's draw a small diagonal line coming out, arching that slightly down. Now from here in the center, just another curved line. Let's move up for the neck here. Again, rounding this out, curving that through to the side. Let's frame in the shape of the head here. So on the left-hand side for the neck, we're just going to draw this straight line coming up. We're going to draw in an oval here for the ear. Let's round out the top of the head. So we're just going to curve this over. We're just going to tuck that down. Now from that point, we're going to curve this back over and through towards the top. Let's round out the side of Buzz's hair now. So we're going to continue to curve this down, out, in, and through, flattening that out. Before we connect the rest of the face, we're just going to draw on the eyebrow that's sort of in the way of connecting this. So from the top here, coming down on a diagonal, we're going to curve this up, connecting that, rounding that out, pulling that down. Now on the bottom, we're going to curve that up, down, and then in towards that top line. And then now we can continue to frame in Buzz's face. So starting on the bottom, we're just going to curve this around and into the middle for the chin. Now on the right-hand side, coming underneath this, we're going to curve this down, out, arching this over, and back in on the bottom, blending that together. We're going to create like a little spiral on the chin here. So from the center, stepping out, we're going to round this out, curving that over and back in. Now let's move up. So directly underneath this right eyebrow, we're going to draw in a circle for that right eye. Let's draw on the eyelids. So on the top, again, just arching that through, connecting that together. Let's draw on our pupil here. So coming down in the middle, let's draw in a circle. And now right on the top, again, drawing in another circle for the highlight. And then the remaining space underneath there, just color that in black. Let's step over for that left eye. So lining that up at the same height, leaving a gap on the left-hand side, drawing in another circle. Now on the top, we're going to curve this around and across. Let's move down. Right in the middle here, we're going to draw in another circle for that pupil. And then on the top for the highlight, adding in another smaller circle. And then again, just closing that off, coloring that in black. Let's draw in this eyebrow. So on the right-hand side, we're going to curve this line in. We're going to arch this line up and over. Now from here, let's round that out. So we're going to curve this up, down, over, connecting that together on the bottom. Let's frame in the ear on the right-hand side. So again, we're just going to curve this around, tucking that down. Let's draw on the nose. So coming over from this eye to the left, we're going to draw a diagonal line coming down. From here, we're going to curve that line across. And then on the top, just add a little bit of detail here. We're just going to arch that back over. Now for the mouth. So lining this up at the same height coming across, arching this line down for the corner bracket of the mouth. Let's curve this across to the right. And now underneath, let's just draw in an arch line. Now for the tongue, we're just going to curve this line back down. And then we're just going to add in a small detail underneath with a small arch line. Let's continue to close off the rest of the head now. So where we have these diagonal lines here, we're just going to curve these back around, tucking those in to the neck. On the right, we're going to pull this line up to the chin. And now from here, just rounding that out, tucking that back in. Let's come through. So on the top, we're going to curve this out and down on each side. Let's move up. So leaving a small gap, we're going to bring this up, rounding that out, tucking that over. And then now moving up again, we're just going to curve this around and in towards that neck. Let's move up again. We're going to arch this over and in towards the head. And then we're going to continue to come across, arching that around and down on a diagonal. And that is it. That's how you draw Buzz Lightyear. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.